Hello guys, welcome back to SaaS Ltd Deals. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe to our channel so that you never miss any of our uploads. I'm back with another review, and this time it is going to be a very interesting tool called SubPage. SubPage is a no-code, no-design sub-page builder for your website, and you may already know by SubPage what I am exactly referring to. Subpages refer to pages on your website such as Help Center, Policies, Terms of Use, Roadmap, Changelog, and other related sections. And when you have these types of subpages on your website, the visitors are going to have more trust about you, about your brand, and about your website. And a lot of people ignore these types of pages, and this can impact their website in a very bad way because people are not going to have much trust on your website. The bounce rate is going to increase, and if you think creating subpages is hard, all you have to do is use this very useful tool called SubPage. It has all the templates ready, all the essential templates that are going to create any types of important subpages that are needed on your website, and let me show you some of them. So with SubPage you can create FAQ page, privacy policy page, glossary, even blog, help center, and so many other subpages. And if you want to see some live example, let me show you that. So as you can see, this is a blog. Let's open this blog. So this is a blog subpage section, and it is fully created by SubPage. Let's see some more. So this is a changelog page. Let's open this. As you can see, this is a pretty well decorated changelog page, and it is also created by SubPage. So exactly like these live examples, you can also create your own subpage without any coding experience, without any designing experience, and I'm going to show you that in a little bit later. If you want to buy SubPage, this has to be the best time because it is available on Appsumo as a lifetime deal. So instead of the regular pricing of $500, you only have to pay $49 and you can get lifetime access to SubPage. SubPage is an alternative to HelpScout and Webflow. Now let's have a look at the features with this Appsumo deal. So here are the features, and these are 3 tiers that you can buy from Appsumo. The tier 1 costs $49 with 5 domains. The tier 2 costs $99 with 25 domains. The tier 3 costs $199 with 150 domains. And keep in mind that on tier 2 and tier 3 there is no subpage reference, as you can see, but in the license tier 1 you do not have this no subpage reference. As you can see, there is a subtle subpage linking. If you're interested, you can also buy SubPage on a subscription plan. As you can see, these are 2 of the plans that you can buy. After you log into SubPage, you have to provide some details, such as you have to provide the URL of your site, and then you will get redirected to this dashboard of SubPage. And on the right top side you can add your team members, and about adding team members, you can also provide roles for them, and these are the roles that you can provide to your team members, and you can also provide some special roles if you want. And then there are also some settings which are the domain settings. So these are the domain settings, and you can also manage your header links from here, and there is also the footer links. So let's go back to the dashboard. So as you can see, back to the dashboard, we have all the options, all the sub pages that you can create with this tool. For example, you need a privacy policy page for your website. For that, click on this, and then you have to click on confirm setup. Now to create your privacy policy page with SubPage, you can either start from scratch and add as many customizations as you want. You can also choose templates. So as you can see, there are some templates for stock media, e-commerce, refund policy for SaaS privacy policy. So you can choose any of these templates and save you time. And there is also a very good feature with SubPage, which is you can even create your subpage with AI. For that, click on this fill with AI. And then you have to choose what you want to write. So I have selected terms of service. Let's select privacy policy, and then you have to provide the details about your company. For example, my website is a SaaS product for social media, so let's type this one, and then you have to simply click on generate policy, click on OK. So as you can see, finally we have got our privacy policy using the AI of SubPage, and to be honest, it is an entire and a very good privacy policy that is dedicated for social media SaaS websites. So I have got exactly what I wanted, and I really appreciate how the AI works of SubPage. So let's save this policy and click on OK. So as you can see, now we are in the policy page. So on this editor, you can make some final adjustments, such as you can change the date, You can also provide your company name and some other information if you want. And then if you click on widget, you can select the cookie consent widget. So it could be this one or this one. So let's select this first one and click on OK. Now you can make some adjustments, such as you can select the description, the cookie policy page, and also you have to provide the URL, and you can also select some other settings. If you want, you can also change the styles from here. And then there is the consent page. So on here you can get a full statistics about the consent log. So the amount of people that are accepting your cookie consent and the amount of people that are declining, you can see that on this graph. You can also get a log on this section. So now let's go back to the editor. So once you have created your privacy policy page, you can also preview this, and on this preview page you can change the layout. So as you can see, there are some layouts. You can also change the colors, and then you can also see the amount of revisions that you have done. And there are also some settings, so you can change these settings if you want, and once it is fully ready, you can simply publish this privacy policy page. So now back to the dashboard of SubPage. As you can see, we have added one privacy policy page, and you can also add as many subpages as you want. For that, click on this plus icon, and then you can also add careers, FAQ, glossary, help center, even blog. So let's try this FAQ. Click on confirm setup, and then you can create a category for your FAQ. You can also add a description if you want, and to add a FAQ, click on this plus icon. So this is my question, and you have to type the answer on this box. And then if you have any categories, you can select the category on here and then simply click on save. So as you can see, the FAQ has been added, and if you think the design of this FAQ is not up to the mark, you can also change that. For that, you have to click on this widget, and then as you can see, there are some FAQ types. For example, you want your FAQ to be like this, so let's select this FAQ type 3, click on OK, and as you can see, what's the color of the sky, which is the FAQ that we added, it has changed to the FAQ type 3. Now you can also change some settings, such as the container class, the heading, and you can also select the section. You can also change the styles if you want. You can also add a new widget if you want from here. So overall, I think SubPage is an excellent tool that lets you create subpages without any coding experience, and you also do not have to know about designing the subpages, because there are already some templates, layouts and widgets that are going to fulfill all the needs that are required for designing. And one of the best features of SubPage has to be its AI. So when you want to create a subpage according to your brand, all you have to do is provide some details about your brand, such as your website could be a SaaS website for social media marketing. So you have to provide that detail on the box, and then the AI is going to create a terms of policy page, privacy policy page, career page, or whatever you need. So that's a very good feature given by SubPage. So if you want to buy this Appsumo deal, make sure you check the link in the description below of this video. So these are the features that you will get on this tool, and these are the tiers that you can buy from Appsumo. So that's it for our today's video. I hope you have found the video to be helpful. If you do, make sure to like this video and also subscribe to our channel for more content like this.